There were two fathers in one city, but their thinking was completely opposite. One father said, "Son, study hard, get good grades, get a safe and secure job." The other father said, "Son, a job will never make you rich. Don't work for money. Make money work for you." The first father was highly educated, a PhD, but struggled with money his whole life. He was the poor dad. The second father was an 8th grade dropout but became the richest man in Hawaii. He was the rich dad. This is the story of the Robert Kiyosaki. At 9 years old, he understood his difference, and that's why he is a millionaire today. I'll tell you the 6 most powerful lessons from this book. If you understand these 6 lessons, you will never have to worry about money again. Watch till the end because lesson number 6 is the most important. Without it, you can never be rich. Let's start. The rich dad don't work for money. Poor dad said money is not everything. Rich dad said money is everything if you understand its power. What do? We work, we get salary, we spend, we wait for next month. This is called the rat race. The rat keeps running but never reaches anywhere. Robert was 9 years old. He and his friend Mike asked Rich Dad, "How do we become rich?" Rich Dad made them work in his shop for free for 3 weeks. The kids got frustrated. Then Rich Dad explained, "See, when you work for money, you become a slave. You get angry, but if you think, how can I make money work for me, you become master." Understand with example. Poor man says, "I need a higher salary, I need a bonus." Rich man says, "I need a business that makes money even when I am sleeping." Having a good job is not bad. Do a job, but while doing a job, think, what can I build that work without me? Part 2, Asset versus Liability. Lesson 2. If you want to become rich, buy asset, not liabilities. This is the most important rule of whole book. Poor dad said, "Our house is our biggest asset." Rich dad launched and said, "Your house is not your asset, it's liability." What is an asset? Something that put money in your pocket. What is liability? Something that takes money out of your pocket. Simple. You bought a house, you pay EMI, maintenance, tax, liability. You bought a small flat and gave it on rent. Every month 15,000 comes in. That's an asset. You bought a car, petrol, EMI, liabilities. You create a YouTube channel that bring money every month is asset. What does the middle class do? Salary comes. Buy big car is liability. Buy big house is liability. Credit card, bill, money finishes again. Job, the loop never ends. What does the rich do? Salary comes, buy asset, stocks, business, rental house. Asset brings money. With that money, buy car. If you want to be rich, do one thing. Everyone invest 20% of your salary into building an asset, even if it's just a 1000 rupee mutual fund, but build asset. Part 3, mind your own business. Lesson 3, mind your own business. Robert's poor dad worked his whole life for others, for school, for government. Rich dad said, "You do a job but also build your own business." Job equal to you are making someone else's business bigger. Your business equal to you are making your future bigger. Business doesn't mean you have to open a shop tomorrow. Business means you own asset column. You work 9 to 5 for a job. Work 7 to 9 for yourself. You can write, create an ebook is asset. You can explain, create a YouTube channel is asset. You know stock, invest is asset. Rich Dad said, McDonald's business is not selling burger. Its business is real estate. Every McDonald's location is owned by them. They get rent. Burger is just an excuse. Think, what is your McDonald's? How to rich save tax? Poor dad said, if you earn more, you pay more tax. Work harder. Rich dad said, understand the game of tax and become rich. This is the technical but understand simple. An employee pays the most tax. Tax is cut as soon as salary comes. A business owner pays the least tax because he has a company. He spent first car, travel, office, then pays tax on what is left. That's why rich dad said create a company. In India, also it's same. If you are YouTuber, freelancer, you can create a sole proprietorship or private limited. Then your camera, laptop, internet all become business expenses. The rich invent money. Poor dad said don't take risk, play safe. Rich dad said learn to take risk. Money is made from risk. There is a line in the book, opportunity come and go, but only the rich can see them because they have opened their financial eyes. Example, in 2008, when the market crashed, everyone was scared. Everyone took out money. Rich people bought houses and stocks at cheap prices. At that same time, after 5 years, they become 10 times. You also have to open your eyes. How? Rich one. How? Read 1 hour every day about money. Watch one finance video. Read one page of a book. Slowly you can start seeing opportunity. You don't need to be worried. You don't need to be smart to be rich. You just need to have courage thinking. What is the biggest reason people never become rich? What if I lost my money? What will people say? What if I lost money? Rich dad said, everyone feels fear. I also feel fear, but the poor don't work because of fear. The rich work despite fear. So when you do a job, don't do it for salary. Do it for what you will learn from that job. Do a sales job. You will learn to sell. Do a marketing job. You will learn to understand people. Make YouTube videos. You will learn camera, editing, communication. These skills will never let you be poor. So friends, the sixth lesson of Rich Dad Poor Dad. Number 1, don't work for money. Make money work for you. 2, buy asset, not liabilities. 3, mind your own business along with your job. 4, understand the game of tax. 5, learn to invest money. 6, work to learn. Don't be afraid. Robert Kiyosaki says you are not poor because you don't have money. You are poor because you don't have a rich mindset. Take a challenge today. Write down one liability that you can convert into an asset. Write in comment. I will read it. If you like the video, send it to that friend who always says I don't have money. Yeah. Next video, psychology of money. Money is a mind. Tell me in comment, will you listen to Rich Dad or Poor Dad? Thank you so much.